Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the Eyoyo model and the interface type so you know which cable or pairing method to use. Plug in power or charge the battery and make sure the LED lights and you hear the startup beep. This confirms hardware readiness. Once done, install the required driver or pair the Bluetooth. Doing this now prevents read errors later. Make sure the host recognizes the device because a detected scanner is the foundation for accurate scanning. Next, configure the scanner to match your host. If using RS-232, set baud, parity, and stop bits on both ends so data syncs correctly. Otherwise, choose USB HID or keyboard wedge to stream keystrokes directly. Scan the Eyoyo configuration barcodes to enable required symbologies and to add prefixes or suffixes, which helps parsers on your system. Also adjust beep volume and aiming modes so you get consistent reads. These tweaks reduce misreads and speed up workflows. Finally, test scanning into your actual application. Place the cursor in the input field and scan several barcodes to confirm proper input. Try different distances and angles to understand the scanner's sweet spot and make adjustments to aiming or illumination as needed. If you encounter issues quickly, reboot the scanner and host, rescan the default configuration barcode, inspect cables and connections, and update firmware when available. These steps resolve most problems and restore reliable scanning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.